Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am giving the configuration of OR gate circuit. You see, OR gate circuit. Here, two diodes D1 and D2 are connected to earth through a 100 ohm resistor. A and B are variable supply voltages. A can be varied from 0 to 5 volt and B also can be varied 0 to 5 volt. Then the actual performance table is this. When both A and B are 0 volt, you get no output, 0 volt. When B is 5 volt, this is varied to 5 volt. This diode will be forward biased. And this here A is 0 volt, so this is reverse bias. So you get a small current is passing through this. Then you get output voltage here, which is 5 volt. Similarly, when A is 5 volt and B is 0 volt, this is forward biased, this is reverse biased. Then a current is passing through this diode to the earth, and no current. This will be reverse biased, so there is no current through this circuit. So the current flowing through this diode will form a voltage drop here, which is logically high, and the output will be 5 volt. Again, when both A and B are 5 volt, but both these diodes D1 and D2 are forward biased, and the current passing through here, and you get some voltage drop which is high, 5 volt here. So this is the actual performance table of actual performance. Here you get logic level truth table. For 0 0 all 0. For 5 volt you get 1 logic. In the logic circuit only two levels are the low level 0, high level 1. So the logic level truth table is here. This is the OR gate configuration of OR gate circuit. That's all about OR gate circuit. Thank you.